Music starts immediately. Deep tight kicklets, rolling bass, metallic caps, sharp hi-hats, rubbing steps, turn one back, low female background vocal, sexy, yeah. Bex looks high and confident, side chain says pumping, girls hooky vocal chopped like an instrument, vocal sits behind the beat, not leading, perfect for slow motion street walk spree, continuous groove, no break, add percussion elements, sit melody is minimal and stylish, vocal hook filter, clean, modern, luxury street feel. Kick lowers for only 6-8 seconds, rising noise effects, love, vocal, echo, tension builds but rhythm never stops, crowd energy affects very low, harder kick, deeper bass, groove becomes more aggressive, vocal hook slightly louder but still background, move. Short siren fix, close stabs, designed for bold outfits and fast cuts, beat stays heavy but clean, the cut consolidates, vocal chop into tiny rhythmic hits, no melody overload, keeps visuals king, kick rolls faster, rising sim pitch, reverse rolling effects, white noise sweeps, high anticipation moment, last strong drop, bass punches 3-4 times, echoing female vocal music starts immediately. Confidence. Deep tight kicklets, rolling bass, metallic caps, sharp hi-hats, rubbing steps, turn one back, low female background vocal, sexy, yeah. Bex looks high and confident, side chain says pumping, girls hooky vocal chopped like an instrument, vocal sits behind the beat, not leading, perfect for slow motion street walk spree,